This COVID-19 corona has made a global impact in the past weeks and continues to hit most of the sectors, with education being one of the most affected ones. Students across the world are losing valuable time in their education. This situation has forced the schools, colleges to shut down and the students to stay at home. Most of the schools, institutions, organizations have come up with the online meeting classes to start their respective schedule instead of wasting time due to the delay in reopening. Even in April 2020, the UGC published guidelines for teaching learning process using online modes such as Google Classrooms, Google Hangout, Cisco WebEx meetings, YouTube streaming, Swayam platform. In view of above, our institute, Professor Ram Meghe, Institute of Technology and Research, Badnera, association with Department of Computer Science and Engineering, come up with this online short-term training program which intend to educate teachers of schools and colleges with best available e-tools for effective teaching learning. This training program helps you to understand e-tools available for conduction of online lectures with all possible ways of sharing content. Hello everyone, myself Poonam Lohia with my colleague Professor Shweta Punkar welcome you all in this 1 week AICTE IST approved online STTP on tools and techniques for efficient and effective teaching learning. Today we will explore Microsoft Teams application, a single place to share work, files, resources and more with your team. Gives you a place to hold meetings, use video conferencing as well as chat functionality with more security. So in this session, I will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Microsoft Teams. In our prerequisite video, we have demonstrated the installation of Microsoft Teams app with account creation and signing. Start with online teaching using Microsoft Teams application. After installation Microsoft Teams, this icon will appear on your desktop. First open Microsoft Teams application and log in to account you have created with Microsoft. As we open, we can see number of options at the top. In this you can see settings related to your account. Here you can edit your profile, set status message. Some default settings are given here related with privacy, notifications, calls related, devices related. So you can change this setting according to your need. On left hand side, we can see activity on top of the corner. It works like as a news feed, will show you everything has been going on in your Teams. It works as a notification. So this is what you are related with the activity. Now next option is chat option. You can chat one-to-one or in a group with your team members, with your colleagues, including video conference. Let's see how chat feature work. So here new chat tab is given. Click on that. Enter any one of your ID as I am adding one of my friend ID. Here you can type a message. Format option available, you can format your text from here. Also you can attach file. As I don't have cloud account, so attach file from computer. Select file you want to share with your friend and upload. Next here, number of suggestions, number of apps are there. You can add these apps as number of categories are there. If you want to add this tab, you can add using this suggestion apps. I have already added one suggestion app, that is YouTube. So if you want to share any YouTube video with your friends or with in group, you can share from here. In this chat, there is also one option that is link. If you want to insert a link related with any topic, so just give text here and add a link. For demo purpose, I am adding Google link here. So www.google.com google.com and simply say insert. So for this AA link added, that is google.com, you can see here. Also you can add table here, and many more options are available, like undo typing, repeat typing, and simply click on the sync. Now next feature, if you want to make audio or video call, then these options are available. Also you can add number of people in this group. You can share a screen with your friend. So this is all about the chat feature of Microsoft Teams. Next and important feature is Teams, where you can run your class online, interact with your students. So for creating it, you can see your team here. So for creating a team, go to this tab, join or create team, and now create team tab will appear here. So click on that create team. You can create from existing Office 365 group or build a team from scratch. Here private, public or organization wide options are available. So if you want that everyone in your organization automatically join, you can create organization wide or a public team. For demo purpose, I am creating a private team. So click on that private team, give a team name demo12 and create. So the team will get created. Okay. If you want to add members in this team, you can add by simply writing their name or mail ID and add. From here you can set the role of members also, if you want member or owner. So here member and close. Now Teams can contain multiple channels. Channels may be subject like maths department, English department, etc. So now for adding a channel, go to this add channel tab and write a channel name here. I am writing maths. You can set privacy from here, like standard and private. Private, that is accessible only to a specific group of people within the team, and standard means accessible to everyone on the team. And simply click on add. So maths channel, adding the channel maths in your team demo 12. So see here, maths channel get added. Now let's get the conversation started with your channel, with your members. You can add members in this channel. Options are given here, where you will get channel notifications, then manage channel from here, get link to channel, edit this channel or delete this channel. Within this channel, within this maths channel, you can have conversation, video chat, meetup, or you can share a file with your channel members or team members. Next and the most important, that is the Meet Now option. As you want to run your class online, so start your meeting by just simply clicking on this Meet Now option. I want to first off my camera. So let's off camera here. You want write the subject and click on the Meet Now. You can use your microphone or a system sound. If you want to invite people to join a group, then copy meeting link or simply invite via email. Here one more option is, that is share screen. So if you want to share the complete desktop, then your complete desktop will get shared with your students. Or if you want to share a PPTs, your presentation, then you can share PPTs with your student. So, stop sharing. Some more options are available here, like show background effects. So if you are in a public place and if you want to blur your background, you can blur your background or select any one of this. Now if you want to ask a question, then you can raise your hand. Then conversation, if you want to see conversation during the meeting, you can see
Here is the participant list. So click on the show participants. You will see all the participant list here. Here one more feature is given, that is download attendance list. Simply by clicking this, your attendance file will get downloaded in the Excel format. So if you want to see this file, go to your download folder. Attendance file will get downloaded. See this meeting attendance list. This Excel file you will get here. That is the full name, the user action, and the time where your student joined the meeting. Now let's end this meeting. So this is what all about the Team app. Now next feature with your Microsoft Team app is meetings. You can directly connect with your team from here. So meet now, if you want to start meeting right now, or you can schedule your meeting later, add meeting title, set a date, select any date you want to add and schedule your meeting. You can invite the people by simply copy this meeting link or via Google Calendar. So this is what the meeting app. Next feature is call, where you can call your friends or your family. So for some options are available, that is contact. So if you want to add contact, simply type a number here and you can add them. As I have already added one contact here, so you can perform operations like you can edit a contact, or if you want to remove or block, you can block that contact. For make a call, you can click and you can type a name to whom you want to call. So this is the call features available with the Microsoft Teams. You can also create a group here and a group call with them. Now move towards the file app, file feature in Microsoft Teams. So here you will get your files. So you can, as I don't have a cloud account on OneDrive, so you can add your account. So number of options are available like Dropbox, Box, Ignite, shared file. I'm having a Google Drive account, so I'll add my Google Drive account here. So enter your email or phone, entering my credentials pploya@mitra.ac.in. Click on next. Enter your password. And sign into your Google Drive account. It will take some time. Check your internet connection, please. Here Microsoft Teams will ask you for the permission, so simply click on allow. Now you log into your account and you can see all the materials available or all the files, folders available on your Google Drive. You can upload the files from here. If you want to download some files, you can easily download. You can open these folders. You can check the files present in that folder. If you want to download or view, you can simply click on this file and you can view this file. So this is what all about the files in Microsoft Teams. Now next here is number of categories are available. So if you want to add apps related to these categories, you can add. As you can see, I have already added Moodle dashboard. So Moodle dashboard app will appear here and you can click here to sign in into your Moodle account. Some more suggestions are there related with the analytics and business, developer, education or project management. So if you want to add this app, you can simply click on the app and click on the add button and you can start your work with this app. So this is what all about the Microsoft Teams. If you want to download this app for your mobile, so you can simply click on this option and scan this QR code and download in your mobile. Just like you do with Teams at work, you can stay connected with your friends and colleagues using this Microsoft Teams. I have downloaded Microsoft Teams app in my mobile also and log in with my ID. I'll show you mobile interface in this video. So this is the appearance of your Microsoft Teams application. On left hand side you will see your profile appear. You can manage, edit your profile settings. Next you have what's new feature, where you will get all new updations from Microsoft. Coming out of this settings, here you will notice that there are few icons along the bottom of your screen. Activity, chat, Teams, meetings, calls, files, camera, wiki and other icons will appear here at the bottom of your screen. Activity is literally your recent activity, will show you what has been happening in your Teams. Next you have a chat. You can add a member here and start sending messages. You will get options at the bottom of your screen if you add your friend. So here you will get options like you can add photo, you can send GIF, then you can attach file from your computer, you can mention him, then format option also available, and this 3 dot gives you additional settings. Here you can record your voice and send voice clip to your contact. You also have 2 icons at the top right hand side which starts video call and audio call with your contact. The icon in the come out of this. Now next, the icon in the center is Teams. This is the list of all the teams you have created. It is almost identical to the desktop version of Teams. All the list you can see all teams, demo 12, PRMITR I have created. If you click, then you can see the channels you have created with your teams. Now next you have meetings option here, will give you the meetings. You can schedule your meetings by simply click on this, edit your meeting title, then set date and add meeting. Now I don't want to add any meeting. Here I have already added one meeting for today, July 1. So if you want to join, simply click on join. Now join now, click on join now. So it will get connected. Okay. Here you can invite participants by simply clicking on this. Invite members or add members or invite participants. You will get your participant list present in the meeting. Here you can share your screen with your students, with your team members. Raise hand if you want to ask question. You can turn off your incoming videos. So this is all about the meeting. End meeting. Calling option is also given. You can make calls to your contact. So Team is a great way to stay connected to your team members, and having access to it through your mobile phone means you can take it on the go with you and never be disconnected from your team. So here These are the reasons you should start using Microsoft Teams for your organization. It's more than chat. If you miss meeting, don't need to hunt for the recording. Everything will appear in your activity tab. It reduces your email conversations. You can add Word, Excel or PowerPoint document in Teams due to tight integration with Office 365. You can stay connected, be reachable and have access to all your resources, team members from anywhere, anytime. Even with the Teams phone app, you have immediate access to all your apps, documents. You can easily respond, join meeting with one click.
In Microsoft Teams app, currently the maximum 250 number of participants can join meeting. 20 number of people can make audio or video call from chat. You can share maximum 2 GB PowerPoint presentation with team members. Also, team meeting recording available for 20 days can be downloaded anytime in 20 days. During meeting, you can see 9 participants simultaneously on screen. As Microsoft Teams application is free to use, with the free flavor of Microsoft Teams, you get unlimited chats, audio, video calls, 10 GB of file storage plus 2 GB of personal storage. Microsoft is even enabling guest access so anyone can join a free. Microsoft available today in 40 different languages. If you want to increase the number of participant limit, you can buy Office 365 subscription plan which starts at $5 per user per month. So I hope this is all about the Microsoft Teams app. I hope this video helped you to understand features available with Microsoft Teams application.
So thank you for joining us. Take care, stay connected with Microsoft Teams. Thank you everyone.